Alright, here we go. Today is November the 24th, 2024. It's Sunday. And it's about 2 p.m. Okay. Got birds flying overhead. Today we got cloudy skies and rain. White skies and rain. Gray skies. Some birds flying overhead here. Look like some hawks. This is what I say, November the 24th, 2024. Sunday. 2 p.m. Cloudy skies. Gray skies. White skies and rain. Now, how y'all doing out there? Y'all doing alright? Alright. Hope so. Of course I'm doing okay. We're at 40 degrees right now. We got a bit of a breeze. It's coming from the northeast, I think. Northeast breeze. It's gonna get colder tonight. Alright. But yeah, I'm not gonna see a moon tonight. That's for sure. Trying to get some of that fresh air today. Checking in on today's weather. Sky. And the sun is in the south. The sun will be gone by 4 p.m. It'll be setting in the south. Yeah. While the moon will be setting way over here probably. That's towards the west. Northwest. Southwest maybe. But this is west. That's where the moon will be going. While the sun will be going south. It's very strange, huh? The moon doesn't necessarily have to follow the sun. And I think the moon was even rising way up to the north. Yeah, way back there. Northeast. A little more to the north than northeast. That's where the moon was rising. Alright. Then it comes up to here. It was probably gone by 6 a.m. this morning. That's when these clouds came in. Yeah, alright. Alright, click that like button, hit that subscribe button. It always helps. And keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. Alright. I shall talk to y'all later. Good old sky watcher here today. Alright. This will be it for now. I'm gone. Talk to y'all later. Yeah, the birds are gone. Yeah.